In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a logo with Microsoft Designer in just 5 minutes. Whether you're launching a new business or simply refreshing your brand, having a distinctive logo is crucial. It's the visual cornerstone of your brand identity, and today we'll simplify the process of designing one. First, you'll want to open your web browser. In the search bar, type in Microsoft Designer. This tool is a powerful resource that leverages AI to help you design a logo that truly represents your business's personality. Once you've located the Microsoft Designer website, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. You should see a Sign In button. Click this to get started. If you don't have an account, you may need to set one up by following the on-screen instructions. Have your login credentials ready, and within moments, you'll have access to a world of creative possibilities. Now, when you're signed in, you'll find a main search bar prominently displayed. This is where the creative process truly begins. Think about what your brand represents and enter a descriptive prompt. For instance, if you're designing a logo for a bakery named Sweet Treats, you might want to convey warmth and modernity. So you could enter something like, a logo for a bakery called Sweet Treats, with a cozy and modern vibe. Next, click on the Generate button right next to the search bar. This prompts Microsoft Designer to weave its AI magic, presenting you with several design options. You'll be amazed at how quickly these professional-looking suggestions pop up, ready for your consideration. Take your time to browse through the suggested designs. A diverse range of styles and concepts should appear, so consider this step a chance to refine your vision. Select the design that aligns most closely with what you had in mind. Remember, it should reflect both your brand's aesthetic and its ethos. Once you've chosen a favorite design, click on it to enter the editing workspace. This is where you can personalize the design even further. Adjust the element's position and hierarchy, essentially the visual arrangement on your canvas. It's wise to prepare a variety of logo versions, perhaps a horizontal version for website headers, a vertical one for packaging, and a square format for social media. Finally, when you're happy with your customized logo, it's time to save it. Download your design as a PNG file. PNG is ideal because it supports transparency. This means your logo can be placed seamlessly over different backgrounds without any awkward white spaces. And there you have it. A professional quality logo designed in just a few minutes, thanks to Microsoft Designer. Feel free to revisit the tool whenever inspiration strikes and enjoy the satisfaction of knowing your brand is beautifully represented. Happy designing!